This is a work of
Damn, the thing's a work of art, got you pressed against the wall. Girl, I've been all around the world and you're the best of all. Damn, the thing's a work of art, so I know we about to get sketchy. I was drawn to you, just the way you move is sexy. It's a masterpiece. I wanna freaking grasp your cheeks. Shit, that thing fast as shit. She arching no Van Gogh. Drop that thing low, by the chugga Mickey in Orlando. I'ma throw some bands go. She going ahead, yo. Been tryna slam, yo. Limbs against mine. Your friend was like, hey, that's my friend. Well, your friend's fine. You reacting to your body like an enzyme. Hey, maybe later, girl, we can spend time.
Got to ride past spinning chain.
Yeah. Gotta do it one little step at a time, you know. Running short-handed. Spent all my money on paint, couldn't afford to hire any help. Yeah. Tying that one up.
This is badass, man.
It's been a fun vacation this day.
Oh, gotta dope it.
Gotta dope it. Ain't no half-ass bullshit around here. This is kind of tricky.
Time to throw it.
Yeah. We'll get it made up anyway, though.
Is it?
That's it. See it tight. It come loose.
Yes, sir.
Bad thing about them little tongs, they either will bite or they won't bite.
Now turn back into the dairy can.
We got to run back over there.
Open it up.
Yeah, about halfway. This is my weight indicator, my automatic driller. There we go.
Automatic driller.